Hi all, I bring you another amazing chess trap today after many hours of intensive research and multiple takes of this amazing video. I bring you this trap today. E4, so you're white, you want to quickly knock out the opponent. It's one of those tournaments maybe where you can get as many games as you can. As soon as you win or whatever, you get another game. So this is a point scorer opening. I'm about to show you. Knight f3, d6, and you play on your poor, unsuspecting opponent the move c3. Okay, so they're already maybe a bit surprised you haven't played d4. Knight f6, and now you play the move bishop e2 as if you've just hung a pawn there. So the opponent might be looking at this for a moment and thinking, isn't that a free pawn? I know this is a bullet game, but this is really low quality for my opponent, isn't it? So they take the pawn, but guess what you can play here, if I give you 5 seconds to pause the video. White play. Okay. Queen a4 check, double attacking the king and the knight. So actually, after, say, knight c6, you just take this knight. Peace up. Thank you very much. And actually, believe it or not, this occurred in a game of Garry Kasparov. Garry Kasparov was white against Jana Marikova in the 2008 Prague Simul, which ended with g6, but with g6, actually, Jana also resigned with that move. So a very, very quick knockout for Kasparov there with this tricky c3 and bishop e2. If you want to make it slightly different, you can also, by the way, as a bonus, play h3. Again, you're neglecting protecting the pawn explicitly on e4. So maybe providing that naughty temptation to take there, and you've still got the check. So it works exactly the same sort of way. You've won a piece out of the opening. So I hope maybe you score some quick wins with this, and it's useful for your online toolkit. Please let me know if you do win games quickly with this in the comments of the video. Post your PGN there in the comments. Okay. Thanks very much.